Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to be playing with the Juicy Olive palette. I love green, so I'm super excited to get into this and see what kind of look we can make. So if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. Alright, let me put up my hair. Alright, I'm going to take off my glasses and I'm going to use the ColourPop Creme Shadow again. Again, that's what it looks like. And I'm just going to put a little bit of this on my eyes for my eyeshadow primer. So I also have a new foundation to try out as well, and a new lip liner that I got at the 21 Days of Beauty sale. Alright, I'm going to start out taking Vodka Teeny down here. It's kind of a grungy green. I don't know, it kind of reminds me of like a little mustardy green. And I'm going to put that in my crease. Alright, now I'm going to take Dirty Martini down here, this deeper green. And I'm using a ColourPop E17. It's kind of a smaller blending brush. And I'm going to use that to put that color, the Dirty Martini, on my outer corner. I'm taking my shimmer brush, the Alter Ego number 6, the one I like to use all the time, and I'm taking Shaken Not Stirred right here. And I'm going to put that on the middle of my eye. I'm kind of doing similar to what I did yesterday. Now I'm taking the other side of that brush and I'm going to go into Garnish right here, this lighter shimmer shade. I'm going to put that on the inner part of my lid. I got a cotton around some micellar water and I'm just going to clean up any of my edges I got going on here. I'm taking the NYX Pore Filler Primer. And I'm going to dot that on my face real quick. Alright, so I picked up the Uoma Beauty Foundation in Fair Lady T1C. Hopefully it matches me. From Ulta when they had the, I think it was women, you get half off of any woman-owned brand, something like that. I picked it up. Ooh, that's super liquidy. I'm going to blend that out first and go from there. It's like super liquidy. Might have to put it on my brush and then go in. I like this so far. It's a good color. I was worried about the color, but I think I got a good color. I'm taking the Dose of Colors Concealer in 08 Light. And I'm going to put that on my under eyes real quick. And I'm using my concealer brush to blend that out. I like using that ColourPop Cream Shadow at first because it covers up my dark spots in the corner. I go ahead and cover that up. That way I don't have to worry about trying to cover it up afterwards and not get on the shadow and all that. So I kind of like that. I know I like my Milani, but I also like having a little bit of coverage on my eyelids because they're kind of veiny. I'm going in with my number 7 powder and light. And gonna set my under eye concealer. Now I'm taking my Benefit Hoola Mini Bronzer. And I'm going to use that to warm up my face. Going under my chin, down my neck. And today for blush, I'm taking the ColourPop, let's see, it's the Meteorite Pressed Powder Blush. And I'm going to use that to put a little color on my cheeks. And I'm taking the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Palette. And let's see, I'm going to take the top one, which is Sweet, well no, Diamond Lily. No, it's Sweet Peony. And I'm going to put that on the high points of my face, starting with my cheekbones. I really love these highlighters. They're nice and pigmented. Going over one eyebrow. Going over the other eyebrow. There's about as pigmented as the Oprah ones because I can go in with 2 dips and have plenty of sparkle going down my nose. Cupid's bow and chin. I'm going to take Dry Martini up here underneath my lash line. And I'm going to take the Vodka-Tini, which is a little bit of it, and blend out the Dry Martini underneath. And I'm taking my NYX Epic Wear in All Time Olive. I'm going to put that in my waterline. Now I'm going to take Garnish and I'm going to put that on the inner corner of my eye. Just kind of connect the top to the bottom. I forgot I also got a new mascara. I bought the Thrive mascara in Bryn Rich Black. And I'm going to try it out because supposedly it's amazing. But it's also a tubing mascara, so it makes like little tubes on your, it's kind of heavy. It makes little tubes on your lashes, so you just wash it off with hot water to get it off. Alright, now to do my lips, I'm going to take the MAC lip pencil in Whirl. There we go. And I got they had 2 on sale, half off for the 21 Days of Beauty. It was Whirl and Soar, and I got both of those. we're just gonna try Soar today, or Whirl. And I'm taking the Milani Keep It Full in, is it Champagne, or what is it? Champagne. And I'm going to top that over the lip liner. I don't overline my lips much. I did today. Hopefully it doesn't look funny. I'm taking the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. I'm going to spray my face. Alright, this is the final look. I'm really excited about it. I think it looks beautiful. The foundation, I think, looks beautiful. That eye look, I think, looks beautiful. I'm real excited about it. I think everything kind of went together perfectly. I definitely think that the Juicy Olive palette is a winner. Definitely. Like I said in yesterday's video, the shimmers are just beautiful. It doesn't take much for them to just glide on like butter, and the mattes blend very well, so it's definitely an A+ in my book when it comes to Gimme Glow. So I definitely want to get their grunge palette. I think it's like $41, so it's a little bit more expensive than I think these two were, but I think it's worth it because I looked at it, it has like grungy browns, blacks, and grays, so it would make a great palette for some smoky eyes. So that might be in the near future. We'll see. But tomorrow I actually have 2 palettes for kimchi. It's the Happy Palette 1 and the Happy Palette 2. So let me pull them out. This is Happy Palette 1, right? Yeah. With all the colors. It's really pretty. I have to figure out what I'm going to do. And this one is Happy Palette 2. I can't wait to use this one. It looks beautiful. With all the browns. And there's at least 2 shimmers that I can't wait to get on my eyes. But so yeah, so those are going to be my next 2 palettes. I actually have a subscriber that said that she wanted to see me use these palettes. So I'm going to tomorrow, and probably the next day I'll use one and then the other. Oh, and keep an eye out for tomorrow's video, because I'll probably be announcing the winner for my giveaway tomorrow. So just keep your eye out for that video so you can see if you won the giveaway. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Also ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And that's going to be all for me. I hope you are having a great day, taking care of yourselves, staying healthy, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.